Hey guys, so in this video I am going to teach you guys how to install different types of jailbreak tweaks. Now to install jailbreak tweaks you will have to first jailbreak your iPhone, and if you want to learn how to do that, I'll mention the link in my description in which I have shown how to jailbreak an iPhone in the easiest possible way. Okay guys, so once you guys have successfully jailbroken your iPhone, you will get an app named Cydia on your home screen, or not necessarily home screen, can come anywhere. So okay, first let me just change the theme so that you guys don't get confused. Snowboard is a tweak, I'll just tell you about it later. So this is how Cydia looks. Just open Cydia, go to search and just type the name of the tweak here. So the tweak that we are going to install first is cylinder. I'll show you what cylinder does in a moment. So just click on cylinder and install the tweak. Confirm. You see, this is how the tweak downloads. And then it will give you a prompt to restart Springboard. So just restart your phone. Okay, so now if you see, if I go to settings, scroll down my tweaks, I have a tweak named cylinder. So it is already enabled. What cylinder lets me do is add effects to the scrolling navigation on the home screen. For example, now I have it set to curl and roll away. So this is what happens when I try to scroll. Then if I set it to something else, this is what will happen. See? Now sometimes what happens is when you try to search for a tweak on Cydia, you won't immediately get it over here, and that is because you may have to add the package or the repo of that particular tweak first. Now for example, there's a tweak named full folder X, so let me just search for it. See, you don't have it now. Full folder X is not there over here. So now to add the repo, first you need to find out what the repo is. So the best possible solution to this is go to Safari and just type full folder, I'm so sorry, X repo. Full folder, okay, I didn't type X over here. Oh my god. So you can see it takes you to the Twitter page of the owner or the developer, you can say, and then there's a link to the repo. Just open the link. So now you can directly add it to Cydia through this plus button, or you can copy the link, open Cydia, go to sources, edit, add, and add the source here. Just copy paste and add the source. It verifies the URL and it will add all the packages that are included in that repo. Okay, so once the packages have been installed, just click on cancel and it says done. Now return to Cydia and now go to search and type, or search for the particular tweak. What was the name? Full folder X. See, now you can see it's over here and it's from that developer. Just click on install and continue. Restart. So that's it guys, that's how you install repos and tweaks on your iPhone. You can see if I go to settings, I have the full folder X tweak. What this does is it just customizes how folders look on your iPhone. I am going to make a video on all the jailbreak tweaks that I have on my phone. That is the hacked WhatsApp, the hacked Instagram, the dock, these animations, the themes, and how my animations are so fast. If you see, I literally have no animation, like it opens instantly, faster than all these stock iPhones out there. So stay tuned for the other jailbreak videos that I'll be making soon. Thank you.